A very good morning to all my dear students. Students, I hope that the government chapter is now clear to all of you, right? The three sessions are very much clear to explain the government chapter. Now, today we will be revising the chapter, and this is our revision session. And now all my kids know that how important the revision is, right? So without wasting time, let's get started with the revision. What is government? Government is like a managing committee. A government is a system or a group of people or an organization that officially manages and has the authority to govern a country or a state according to the law. Functions of government. Students, you know that the government is like a managing committee. Usually, in a democratic country, the government works as per the wishes of the people and for their welfare. The government also takes various steps to solve the economic and social problems of the people. It is concerned about the nation's economic condition and problems of poverty, unemployment, literacy, health, etc. The government provides various facilities like making low-priced food grains available through ration shops, assistance during disasters and calamities, establishing educational institutions and hospitals, and run services like transport, judiciary, post and telegraph, railways, etc. It also maintains friendly relations with other countries. Students, this all point we have covered in session number 2, right? So if you have any doubts, you can refer to the videos of second session. Clear, all of you? The government works at 3 different levels. They are local level, state level, national level. Local level, it is concerned with the affairs of villages and cities. State level, it deals with matters at the state level. And national level, it is responsible for work related to the entire nation. National level is also known as union government, right? National government or union government, or it is also known as central government. Clear, all of you? So the government is at 3 different levels: local level, state level, and national level. The 3 organs of the government. The government has to perform various activities. It is difficult for one body to perform all the activities. Hence, the government has divided itself into 3 organs. Each organ carries out a specific task. The 3 main organs of the government are legislative, executive, and judiciary. The legislative organ, right? The organ of the government that frames laws is called legislative. Executive organ, the organ of the government that executes the laws formed by the legislative is called executive. And judiciary organ, the organ of the government that imparts justice and punishes offenders who break the law, is called judiciary. Is it clear? So which are the three main organs? Legislative, executive and judiciary. Okay, you just have to remember the keywords. Legislative frames laws, executive executes the law, and judiciary imparts justice. Okay. Structure of the state government. The following chart shows the structure of the state government. Just like the central government, the state government is also divided into three organs: legislative, executive and judiciary. The legislative consists of the legislative assembly as well as the legislative council. The legislative council is known as the upper house, while the legislative assembly is known as the lower house. However, it is not necessary that each state must have the legislative council. Most of the states like Gujarat have only one house, that is the legislative assembly or the lower house. Executive. The executive organ includes the chief minister and the council of ministers. What is council of ministers? The different cabinet ministers, you can say that defense minister is there, agriculture minister, education minister, finance minister, health minister, right? That all that are called the council of ministers who assist the chief minister. Clear? And the third one is judiciary. The judiciary consists of the high court at state level and the other courts like the district courts at district level and the taluka courts at the taluka level. All these organs, legislative, executive and judiciary, all these three organs report to the governor of the state. So students, I hope you got a very good revision of your government chapter. Thank you. God bless you all. Take care. Keep smiling. Stay happy. Thank you.